Why do we sneeze when we look at the light? This involuntary act, called the photic sneeze reflex, affects 1 in every 4 people. This trait is considered hereditary, but it is not meaningful, just as some can move their ear or bend their tongue. The trigeminal nerve is responsible for many involuntary actions, including sneezing. Moreover, this nerve has many ramifications, the endings of which are located on the skull skin. Dust near the nose stimulates these endings, and this nerve sends signals to the brain, causing sneezing. Some of these endings are located in the eyes, making tears when the eye is exposed to onions or ammonia. This sneezing, regardless of its cause, is annoying and sometimes harmful, especially while driving. A person can control this sneezing just as well as a cough if he has the will to hold it back for a long time.